You're trying to bulk, but you've got no time because you're always working. You have no idea what to meal prep, and you can't gain weight no matter what. I was skinny too, so I know exactly what it's like.
You could buy meal prep subscriptions, but don't forget, you're paying about 5 times more. So if you've got a £2,000 budget
Per year, you're literally spending 10 grand. 5 times more. Right, enough of the angles. I'm going to show you everything I meal prep to build muscle on a tight budget with just 1 to 2 hours per week of cooking. Breakfast. Go on, say it. Right, do not sound like him. Breakfast is where skinny guys lose the most muscle because they start eating too late. So, I'd set my alarm 1 hour before you usually would, even if it's painful. So here's 3 meals you can have back to back in the morning, an hour before you usually wake up, just because you can get 3 meals in instantly and it doesn't even take up that much space. Meal 1 is a 3 egg omelette, and to be fair, if you use olive oil, that's got more calories than these 3 eggs if you just use 2 tablespoons. Oh, you're kidding. I forgot to list the barbecue, so let me work out the new calories. So this has 488 calories, 21 grams of protein, and it costs 63p. Great protein, and we've also got milk and Greek yogurt after, which is good for protein. And breakfast too. I've literally had this morning, so I'm gonna have to do it twice just for you. Okay, so this is so easy to consume. You can have tons of this. I can have 2 bowls if I wanted to. So you want 50 grams of Cheerios, which looks about that. You also want whole milk. Make sure it's the blue one, make sure it's full fat. You want quite a lot of calories, so this is so much easier. So 165 millilitres. No, more. There you go, 200 millilitres. That's what it should be. So 322 calories, 12 grams of protein, and the price I'll put on here won't be much, but I don't even know how much it is. Cheerios are cheaper if you get the extra large pack. And the third meal of the morning is strawberries and grapes. And what I'd do is pick these off as soon as you get them, give them a wash, and then you won't have to touch them again. You can literally just chuck them in the bowl, and that saves a ton of time. Or you could cut them if you want a nicer texture, because I do like cutting them in half. Now this is for the health benefits and the energy. This won't give you many calories other than the protein and fat that's inside the Greek yogurt, but I've had to get the other one because the one at Aldi that I usually get is out of stock. This one says 10% fat. Mine doesn't say anything, so I guess mine's full fat. But I'd always choose the full fat one because even low fat has just got more sugar in to make it taste less horrible. So I don't actually know how many grams I have of this. So 100 grams is perfect for that. And this tub is 500 grams, so you've got 5 days worth, which is all your weekday. So for this tiny third meal, you get 167 calories, 6 grams of protein, and it's £1.50. Easy snack. I use this last because it's more like a dessert. Laura's got a personal training assessment today. Wish her luck. So breakfast is equally 977 calories, 39 grams of protein, and £2.50, with the majority of that money coming from the fruit because strawberries are expensive to buy. Right, I'm all fueled up, so I'm going to wait an hour or two for this food to sink in. Then I'm going to go straight to the gym, so I'll see you there. And also, it has been a while since I last posted, maybe over a year, since I posted properly. But I actually got a new job. I started as a car salesman, and I make tons of money now, like a lot more than I used to as a PT. And I'm still personal training after, so I do like 12-hour shifts. But I'm back, and hopefully I can make more videos like this because I do love my bulking videos. Now don't forget, as a skinny guy you can choose what you want for the protein shake. 50 grams of protein, sounds pretty good, but you look at the calories and it says 1,262. Now, this is just a load of sugar, basically. So you can either have 1 of these a day or 2 of these a day, or just switch to something a bit healthier. The same brand, Optimum Nutrition, but you can get the concentrate, which is very cheap, or you can get the isolate, which is a bit dearer, less fat, but you don't really need less fat. You can go the concentrate, get the cheaper option, even though it's only 120 calories, whereas this one is 631 calories, 25 grams of protein for half of it, and for half it costs £1.84. Whereas normal protein shake will just be 70, 80p, really cheap, and it's still got 25 grams of protein in. I'll leave that one to you. Let me know what you think in the comments. And now let's say I was at work today. Let's see what I have when I get to lunchtime. Okay, this is my midday snack around 11 or 12. And 3 of these wraps have 871 calories, 67 grams of protein, and it costs £2.27. And the reason it's important to have it at this time is because you need to be in an anabolic state. So you need a surplus of calories, which means just eating more than you burn. And if you've got a desk job, that's easy, but if you're in a warehouse, it's a lot harder. So you might need even more food than I'm having now. But I'm gaining a little bit of fat on my waist, so I know I'm in a surplus. Right, really simple. I'm gonna show you how to make this, and then I'm gonna show you how to make the lunch after. So for the wraps, you only need one of these bags, which will last you 2 days. You just split it in half. But I need to cook for Laura as well, don't I? Yes. And if you go Aldi, guess diced chicken, because sliced chicken tastes weird. I don't like the length of the sliced chicken. If you go Tesco, it's the same price because it's an Aldi price match of £1.99, but the chicken tastes better. Do you want curry powder on yours? Too late. So let this cool down before we put it in the fridge, ready for tomorrow morning, and I'll show you what we do then. With the Tesco chicken, you need 6 pieces. For this one, I don't even know, so I'm just gonna guess. 4 pieces of cucumber, 2 tomatoes and half. And then you can either get the low sugar sweet chilli from Tesco, or Aldi is another one that's really cheap. It's like £1.50, that's like £2.50. The low sugar one tastes a lot better. There you go, 3 wraps. Put them in the fridge as soon as you get work. So if you have 2 of these, that's 140 calories, 3 grams of protein, and it's 40p. So this is my pre-workout meal. This is lunchtime at 5 p.m, which is a bit late obviously, but you've already had the rest of the food. This is chili, rice, and mincemeat with a bit of green beans on top. I'll show you how to make it as well. But this is by far one of the cheapest, one of the best meals you can have. It's 580 calories, 44 grams of protein, and it's £2 and 2 pence. So really cheap for this meal. And that brings the grand total of lunch up to 1,591 calories, 114 grams of protein, and £4.69, which is not the cheapest, but it's one of the best you can have. High carbs, high protein. You can meal prep the entire week with just half an hour of cooking. Mincemeat, green beans, 2 pots of Tesco chili, and basmati rice. Put some olive oil in there too, give some extra calories. 400 grams of rice lasts 5 days. So as the rice and mince are on, chop these up, boil the kettle again, make sure you put these on pretty fast. Now before the mince dries up too much, put both tubs in. Optional extra, just put some puree in, makes it taste a bit better. And then some Italian seasoning. Just so you can make it quick and chuck it straight in the fridge, I just rinse it with cold water. This also rinses all the starch off. Just to make it easier to eat at work, I'd stir most of them so they're already done, you just put them in the microwave. But if you do put any in the freezer, I wouldn't mix it, I'd leave it on the top, rice at the bottom, because it does go a bit dry if you do mix them and you put them straight in the freezer. Don't forget you've only made 5 portions too, so this could last 4 days in the fridge and you could just put 1 in the freezer. So this just took me 28 minutes to make 5 meals. The last meal of the day is the most important, and this is what I've been eating since I was born basically, 25 years. I've been eating pasta, because I'm half Italian apparently, on my dad's side. I've been trying his recipe of bolognese. He won't tell me his exact recipe, but it's amazing. Mine's not so good as previous video. If you've watched that one, that was a complete mess where I added 2 of these. So I didn't know what I was doing back then. I've got a little bit better, so I'll show you what I'm doing. For one meal for yourself, 180 grams of pasta, whichever pasta you like. And then you're meant to actually put carrot in, but look, your carrot's meant to snap and not do that. But I'm going to use the celery. This is the best brand go for, so I'd get them, but only go B&M for it because it's a load cheaper than if you go Tesco and just buy a single pack. Just so the mince doesn't dry out, I'd keep a little bit of juice in the bottom, straight in there, and then let it mix in there for 2 minutes. And then in with both tomato sauces, Italian seasoning, also more parsley, and then more basil. 2 to 4 tablespoons of that. And make sure you use 4 fresh garlics, not this stuff. And my dad says you're meant to use tons of salt. Literally, he has this huge handful of salt. But obviously that's not good for you, so I'll put the tiniest bit in. Probably like 2 teaspoons. Calories for this one is 585 calories per meal, 54 grams of protein, and it costs £2.38. Total calories for dinner is 1,216 calories, 79 grams of protein, and £4.22. This brings the grand total for the entire day to 3,784 calories, 232 grams of protein, and it cost £11.41, which is pretty pricey, so it's not really budget friendly. But 1,000 calories equals £3 and 61 grams of protein, so that's pretty good. If you're sick of being skinny and you want some help, this is the channel for you. Cheap, time efficient, budget friendly, bulky meals, All my videos are going to be about this and also a few workouts. So let me know in the comments what you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.